I'm Dean DeLoe with Remington with some great new products you're going to see at Bass Pro this year. This is the Remington Fast Snap 2.0 cleaning kit. This cleans all your rifle, shotgun, and pistols in one easy pass. You got your chemicals, comes with your handle and your T-handle and your flex cables, comes with your pistol brushes and your mops, rifle, and your shotgun equipment, all in these nice, neat pouches, organized, as well as a bore light. So everything you need to clean your firearms. Available at Bass Pro this year, 2014.